This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Supersport is a true supersport. A 17-year-old restoration, all-original car with new paint and original interior, the car is finished in Olympic gold over a black interior. Although not the original 396 engine, this true SS now boasts a very nice 496 cubic inch stroker big block backed with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. The original factory 12-bolt rear end housing now includes 373 gears and a positive traction differential. You'll also notice that the chassis, front lower A-arms, and rear trailing arms were not forgotten during the restoration. Additional equipment includes an MSD ignition, Flowmaster mufflers, chrome bumper, and sway bars. This 1969 Chevelle turns more than a few heads with its beautiful Olympic gold paint, SS 396 trim, sport striping, a Super Sport hood, grille, Cragar SS wheels, and a sun tachometer. Comfort and convenience items include power steering, power front brakes, auxiliary gauges, sport-styled steering wheel, and a great-looking black Legendary bucket seat interior. This 1969 Chevelle is a beautiful car that would make a great summer cruiser. Whether you want to show off this classic muscle car or simply hop in and drive it, this 69 Chevelle is everything that's right about American muscle. This car looks, sounds, and feels the way a muscle car should. Give LRA a call at 215-781-3790 or email us at sales@lrasales.com. That's sales@lrasales.com to learn more about this 496 powered, stick-shifted 1969 Chevelle.